Do you know what it's called when you want to talk about something with someone, but you're nervous so you just don't talk about it?
Yeah, because someone's bigger than you and then someone's really small.
Yeah.
Like an elephant sitting with a mouse on a couch.
Right. You could even call it the elephant in the room.
That's the baddest name ever.
It's not that great. Let's go. Right about here, we're going to draw a little mouse. So let's draw his ear. This mouse is going to be looking up at his big, big buddy. Ah, so big! Oh no! Okay, let's do a mouse nose. And so it's going to be like a little point there. Like he's looking up. And maybe right at the end of the point, we're going to do a little round circle. A little mouse nose. And, okay, and do mice have one ear or 2 ears?
2 ears.
So let's do 1 ear behind. So just peeking out on the other side. And let's do 2 little eyeballs. I'm going to do just 2 little dots. Kind of cute and just mousy. And do mice have whiskers?
Yeah.
Most animals do. So let's do 1, 2, 3. And then on the other side again, 1, 2, 3. Our little mouse. Oh, you already did it. Great. Now, let's do the mouse body. So let's draw, coming down, we're going to draw his hand. Just a tiny little mouse hand with little mouse fingers at the end. And so he's just going to be sitting on the couch. So let's do the bottom of his body and a little mouse leg. And then out from that leg is going to be the bottom. And we'll draw a line over to where his next leg is going to be. And we'll do another little leg. And let's do the rest of his body, and we can do that right back up to his nose. And let's do 1 little hand on the other side of his body. You got it. Okay, so there's our little mouse friend.
I need his
tail. Yeah, his little mouse tail. Yeah, we can draw that up. Good idea. Zola, you're good at details. Okay, now that we've got our mouse, he's going to be sitting on a couch. But who's going to be sitting with the mouse?
Elephant.
Huge elephant. Okay, so up here, kind of on this side of the page, we're going to draw up here because he's going to be really big. We're going to start way up here and draw his big elephant nose. Okay, so right here, we're going to come down. And just draw a line, and then at the top it gets a little bit wider. Do elephants have tusks? Mm-hmm. And what are tusks made out of?
Teeth?
They're kind of like teeth. So let's draw one of his tusks on this side. So it kind of sticks out like this, Zoe.
Like that?
Like a little thing like that on each side, and then, yeah, a little pointy... Almost like a little horn, little tooth horn.
Look it.
I love it. Oh yeah. So 1 tusk on either side of the nose. Now we got to draw kind of his horns and body,
Got
right?
to do the lines.
Yeah, we can draw some lines in there if we want to. Those little fun details are kind of fun.
I love details.
Yeah, you do. So. Let's draw the elephant's foot kind of around the same area as the mouse feet. So if the mouse feet end here, let's draw an invisible line over here and draw an elephant foot there.
Right here?
Yeah. So I'm going to draw 1 elephant foot here, and let's draw 3 toes on it. 1, 2, 3.
I did 4.
Perfect. Now let's draw
here.
Let's draw his tummy. All the way around. Let's draw a big circle around this elephant. To about here. Look at that big circle. So that's kind of his body. Now up here we stopped because they have huge floppy ears. So let's draw a big floppy ear. Yep. Now on the other side of his body, let's draw his other ear kind of flopping out. There we go. And let's draw two little eyes, two beady eyes looking down. Why are elephants scared of mice?
I don't know, because they're really small and they squeak a lot.
Totally. And why would something so small be scared of something so big?
Well, because elephants are really big and they're not that brave.
Yeah.
Can we draw his other foot here?
To the other foot. Awesome idea. Kind of poking down. We'll draw a little feet. And now let's draw the rest of the elephant's body coming down from his horn down to the rest of his foot. And now, what do we need? Elephants have 2 legs, but they also probably have 2 arms. Let's draw one arm right in here. And some toes. And then the other one can be on the other side of the body. And some toes. Now, we got our mouse, we got our elephant.
Couch.
Yeah, they're kind of just floating right now.
Why do you brought an elephant to space, for real? That would be weird.
Like if you were an astronaut and you were allowed to bring one thing to space, what would it be?
Elephant.
An elephant. Okay, let's draw the couch. So we're gonna have the couch maybe start down here, so a line right here. And then we're gonna go up.
Oh, so like the side of the couch.
Side of the couch. Then we also have to have that. You can squeeze it in on this side of the elephant. So we're going to have this. Yep. Good one, Zoes. Now we have to do the bottom of the couch, kind of right here. Very bottom, all the way across. Now, let's do this, Zola. Let's draw a line that goes behind his feet.
I was just going to do that.
Good idea. Right behind all the animal's feet.
I'm doing it a little.
Oh, so one more line that kind of goes behind him up here. Yep. Now we got to draw the big bubble at the back. And so this kind of comes up like this. And then again on this side, up like that. Now we can draw, oh, I like that. I like how you did those little bottoms of the couch. And that looks so cute. Let's draw a picture frame on the wall. So let's draw a square. And then we're gonna draw a square around that one for like a picture frame. And do you know what I like to do for picture frames? Like this, Zoli. And the corners, I like to draw a little line from the corners. Yep. And yeah, I like how you'd had a little nail there and maybe a little string there holding it up. In the picture frame on the wall, you can draw whatever you want. It can be a tree, it can be a bee, it can be the letter C, or it can be the elephant and the mouse. I'm gonna draw almost like a kid's version of the mouse and the elephant.
I did a baby.
That's cute. Zola, if we're done, what do we gotta write?
Oh.
Yep, write your name on it. Be proud of what you just did.
Okay, let's make that into a heart.
Make it into a heart, awesome.
I did my.
I'm gonna do a little heart down here, then I'm gonna write my name.
Thank you for drawing along with us.
We love it when you guys join us for drawing time. Hopefully you had fun. We sure did. High five. Peace.